Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to have our class with grammar. So vocabulary, in the vocabulary we are going to see vocabulary, homonyms, homographs and homophones. 41. The page number is 41. You can see what are the vocabulary parts of homographs, homonyms and homophones. Firstly, we are going to see the topic of homonyms. Homonyms are the words that have the same spelling and the same pronunciation. Homonyms are the words that have the same spelling and same pronunciation but different meaning. You can see that these words are included into the categories of homonyms. For example, we are going to give the example of the word homonyms. I wanted to lie. I wanted to lie. The meaning of lie in this sentence, you can say that say something that is not true. Means we are going to say that you are saying truth or false. That L-I-E. I wanted to lie down. I wanted to lie down. Assume a reclining position. So that you can see I wanted to lie down means lie is equal to, in the sense, now you can see you are having the same spelling, the same pronunciation but different meaning. So what is that different meaning you can see? And that is nothing but you can see with the spelling of lie. The lie meaning is say something which is not true. Assume a reclining position. So these are the words with the same spellings there you can see. Then you can also have with the same thing. You can have the some other example with these same spelling, same pronunciation but a different meaning you can see. Then when you come to these homographs, you can see words that have same spelling but different pronunciation. Words that have same spelling. Homonyms, same spelling, same pronunciation but a different meaning. When you come to these homographs, you can see that the words have the same spelling but different pronunciation and meaning. So you can see that this is of the example where you are going to see that but different pronunciation and different meaning there. So for example, you are going to say, you can take with the sentence, the wind is strong tonight. The wind is strong tonight. Here in the sentence, the wind is strong tonight. W-I-N-D, wind is strong tonight. So in the same way, W-I-N-D in the rhymes with wind are moving air. I forgot to wind my watch. So now you can see I forgot to wind my watch. Wind the wind, and I forgot to wind my watch. Wind means, so you can see here in the first sentence we called is the wind is strong. W-I-N-D you can say as wind. And in the second sentence we can say that I forgot to wind my watch. In the second sentence you can see W-I-N-D twist or coil something. So you can see that that is twist or coil something. So that in the sense you can see wind is the same spelling, and the pronunciation is different, and the meaning is also different. The wind is the wind is strong tonight, and I forgot to wind my watch. In the first sentence, you can see that wind is moving in the air, and you can also have that winds are the rhyming words which you can see in the moving of the air. I forgot to wind my watch. Wind rhymes with find. Twist or coil something. So wind, I forgot my watch means. So to the twist of my hand means to keep my watch, I forgot to wind my watch. You can see with the homophones. Homophones are the words which have the same pronunciation, which have the same pronunciation there, but different spellings and meanings. Same pronunciation. Waste. Example, we are going to see homophones are having with the same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. But different spellings and meanings. Phones means you can keep the shortcut phones with the same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. We can say that the words that have the same pronunciation but different spellings and different meanings. So for example, you can see do not waste paper. Do not waste paper. That waste is to spend thoughtlessly, or to spend thoughtlessly. Waste, W-A-S-T-E. Do not waste paper. Waste is nothing but to spend thoughtlessly. And she tied a sash around her waist. She tied a sash around her waist. The spelling you see, do not waste paper, W-A-S-T-E, and that waste meaning is to send thoughtlessly. She tied a sash around her waist, W-A-I-S-T. Part of a body between ribs and hips. That you can take it as W-A-I-S-T, waist. Then now we are going to see with the few examples of these. Uh, I am bored of board games. So you can see bored of I am bored of board games. So you can see I am bored, B-O-A-R-D, of board games means differently you can have here B-O-A-R-D, board, and B-O-R-E-D, board. So that is I am bored of board games. We shall see that the meaning of B-O-A-R-D and B-O-R-E-D means interested in games. She rode her bike down the road. She rode, R-O-D-E. These are nothing but homophones. Then here itself you can see fill in the blanks with the correct homophones. So you are going to see the words she, R-O-D-E, rode her bike down the road, R-O-D road, R-O-D road, and R-O-A-D road. Then third one is our principal is a great lady. Our principal is a lady of great principal. You can see our principal means our principal is a lady of great principal there. So Principal, principal. Our principal is a lady of great principal. Then fourth one, they 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 are in their garden over there. They are. So you can see they are means they they are. So you can see THEY apostrophe S R E. They are in their 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 garden over there THERE. So THEY they and apostrophe S RE. They are in 11 they THEIR their garden over there garden over there. Fifth one, did you buy two tickets? Did you buy two tickets to the show too? Did you buy two tickets to? Did you buy two tickets? TWO two tickets to the show. TO to the show. Two 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 question mark. Then sixth one. Arjuna's band was banned. Arjuna's band was banned from playing in the school. So you can see Arjuna's band was banned from playing in the school. So these are the homophones which are being seen completely in the filling of the blanks given BORD and BORED, and the second one is RODE and ROAD, and principal PRIN C PAL, principal PRINCI PAL, and it is a great lady of principal. They are THEY, they are in their THEIR THERE they. Two tickets to TWO two. I am at band. Then now see in the next vocabulary of the grammar, the fill in the blanks with the correct options here. I bought a pair of gloves. I bought a pair of gloves. PAIR, pair. Then the kings resign. The kings ruin. So that the king's ruin REIGN. The king's ruin did not last very long. So you can see that the king's ruin did not last very long. REIGN. The third one, if you park here, the police will tow your car away. If you park here, the police will tow TOW your car away. The lioness picked up the scent for her prey. Then you can see here the lioness picked up scent. SENT means picked up. The scent means it caught up scent of her prey. She wanted to wear wear her favorite outfit. So here you can see she wanted to wear her favorite outfit. So that is the thing where you can see WEAR. So these are also with the some of the homophones that are being calculated there. Show the difference or show the words with the given sets of homophones by using them in your own sentences. Now I shall give you the spellings of the words I'll, AISLE. So that you can see I'll, AISLE, that is the I in our church is fascinating. So with one whole sentence you can see the I. The I in our church is fascinating. Sri Lanka is an isle. You can see that also. Then pain, P-A-N-E, pain, and P-A-I-N, pain. The window pane is made of. Window pane is made of glass. So you can see the window pane is made of glass. Then pen. The pen is
నెంబర్
ఎన్ని మినిట్స్ అయింది
6:18.
కానీ నేను చేస్తుంది తర్వాత. The window is made of glass and the pain. The patient could not bear the pain. The patient could not bear the pain means see the window is made of glass and the patient could not bear the pain. Sell. He sells fruits in the market. He sells the fruits in the market. Then cell, the culprit was thrown into the cell. So you can see the culprit was thrown into a cell. Then 4. There are 4 girls in our class. There are 4 girls in our class. Then 4. The foresight of the gentleman is very good. The foresight of gentleman is very good. You can see that also with the sentence of this FOUR and FORE 4. Break. He broke the record. He breaks the record. He broke the record. He broke he had broken or he broke the record in the examination. The driver applied sudden brakes. The driver applied sudden brakes. Then you can see with the sentence of PAWS and PAUSE pause. The paws of a tiger do not make a noise. The paws of a tiger, the paws of a tiger make a noise. Do not make a noise. The pause. There is a pause in her speech for a minute. So you can also see that there is a pause in her speech. So these are the examples for the different kinds of homophones, homonyms, and homographs. You can see here the spellings with the having of the different sentences that have been matched in the given exercises. Then now we are going to see with the two conversations that are there in our syllabus. The first one is describing of your college. So these conversations are there for us. We shall see with the having of these two conversations by the taking of 2 or 3 characters which are being assigned. So look at the following dialogues in which a person describes her college to a friend. So now see, analyze the dialogues, how a person is going to introduce herself about the college. So she is going to give, a person is going to describe her college to a friend. Then the characters are being given here are the two characters, Annie and Roja. Then see the characters of Annie and Roja and see what are the dialogues that are being given. Roja, I heard you got into National College. Then, congratulations. Yes, Annie, it is everything our seniors said it would be and more. The tall, imposing colonial buildings, the football and the basketball courts, and the amphitheater.
23. 23.
It is all very beautiful and best of all, so quiet and green. Annie, really? Wow, you lucky girl. There is not a hint of green everywhere in my college. Rose, it is in the very heart of our concrete jungle. You can see that. Yes, Annie, it is everything our seniors it would say it would be and more. The tall, imposing colonial buildings, the football and basketball courts, the amphitheater, it is all very beautiful and best of all, so quiet and green. Annie, really wow, you lucky girl. There is not a hint of green anywhere in my college. It is in the very heart of a concrete jungle. Roja said, but I heard you a very modern building. Roja said, but I heard you a very modern building with an air-conditioned library, new classrooms and fully equipped labs. All that must be wonderful. All that must be wonderful. Annie, yes, that is true. The building is indeed in very modern and has many
24.
good facilities and conveniences. And you can see, and what are these conveniences. The conveniences, you can see that this building is having of all the infrastructural facilities with a modern building there with the self-conditioned library, new classrooms and fully equipped labs. The facilities and conveniences are very good enough in our campus. The trees, the open spaces. Roja said, the cactus garden. Annie, yes, you have a cactus garden. Tell me more. Then it is one of the corner of the campus near the faculty residences. You can see that this we are going to see. You are having the cactus garden. Tell me more. It is one corner of the campus near the faculty residences. It is a fairly large garden full of many different species of cacti. I often sit under a tree in the garden and read. It is a lovely, peaceful spot and my favorite place in the campus. It is again, you can say, I often sit under a tree in the garden and read. It is a lovely, peacefully spot and even imagine something like that where my college is located. You can see that I can't even imagine something like that where my college is located. Roja said, well, that is one thing that I do not enjoy, and that's the commute, not that is the commute there. So you can see, well, there is one thing I do not enjoy, and that is the commute there. I have to travel a whole hour. So I have to travel a whole hour and off bus to get there. So you can see that it is off bus today. I have another long bus journey back to the city. So it is exhausting and it is worse during the summer. So during the summer it is a long journey and it is making the exhausting to body. Annie, I can imagine how tiring that must be. So you can say that I can imagine how tiring must be. Roja says, I guess that's the price I have to pay to reach a serene or I guess that the price I get that this is the price I have to pay to reach a scene and beautiful campus there. Annie is saying, think I should be happy.
29. 29.
Think I should be happy with my modern concrete building that is just convenient to metro ride away. So you can see that this is the thing. I guess that the price have to pay to reach a serene and beautiful campus. And Annie is saying that I think I should be happy with my modern concrete building, which is just a convenient metro right away. Roja says, huh? Huh? It just goes to show everything in life has pros and cons. So you can see that it just goes to show that everything in life has its pros and cons there. So this is a conversation that was being run between the two friends, that is Annie and Roja, and these two girls share the person how to describe. So that description of her college to a friend is a wide and with the vast words of herself to have the situations that are going to be shared in between these two friends.
31.
Huh?
30.
So I think we shall see the one more conversation of describing of our course study in the other class, and this is all about our situation which shows the description of our college between the two friends Annie and Roja. We shall see the describing of course of study in the next session. Continue.